Yo, we're back. I guess I'll reveal it now.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is what it is. Chinaman with this Chinese background. Yo, what is up, guys? You're probably wondering why I'm doing this. Well, first of all, Happy New Year. It's late, but I mean, come on. Happy New Year, anyways. Yes, I'm doing this because, as you can see, I'm editing, and I found out that the very first video that I shot with this camera is corrupted. So basically what it was is that it's a new year, which means we should do a new video, and we decided to work on Chinaman's Integra. He bought Matt's Integra, by the way, and it's the black one that you'll see in this video. And Van also got an Integra, so we all now have Projtegs, as you would say it, or as we call it. And yep, so for this video we decided for the new year and for the upcoming Chinese New Year to grab him some fabric and do his door cards. And well, here's how it went. Hope you guys enjoy. Yo, we're back. I guess I'll reveal it now.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is what it is. Chinaman with this Chinese background. Dude, are you sure you're not gonna trace it? Dude, it's better if you trace.
Why?
So you know
Where to cut more?
Yeah, just do a rectangle first. And then we'll trace it again after.
I'm just getting the size for it right now.
Yeah. So like a rectangle. Yep. This guy's draining. Go low. Just yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start on mine.
Wow. I like it.
Okay. With the screw.
Which screw?
You have a light?
Yeah, this oil is hot.
Well, you just drove, dude.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the screwdriver?
It's in the car.
In your car?
Yeah. It's in the
I gotta glue mine because I did mine a while back. Okay. Dark already. It's only like 5 o'clock. This audio probably sucks because it's the GoPro. Alright, see you guys later. I think I'll stick to my phone camera for now.
Your phone camera?
Because I know the audio of the GoPro kind of sucks.
Hey, does your drain bolt look like that?
No. What is that? No wonder yours is huge.
It's a 19 drain bolt.
No, mine's just a regular drain bolt.
Yeah, I don't know why there's a flipping 19 there.
Alright, this is his dragon, right?
Yeah, it's a dragon. Caroline the dragon tattoo with a dragon tattoo.
Do cinematic. So that's his. This is mine. I did mine a while ago, but it's not glued on there, so it can just like fly off anytime. That's what I'm doing today. Yeah. You gonna do your shift boot as well?
Maybe.
I already have a password JDM.
Yeah, that's why I'm like,
Mm.
I mean, you could give it to Van if, you know. What does Van have? Stock boy. So you drained it out, right?
Yeah.
Now you just need the air filter or the oil filter. OBD1. So we're gonna talk about this now and later. The rebrand.
Oh yeah.
We'll go later. You guys are busy.
Anytime?
Well, he's
We'll like sit down for it and then just discuss. Okay.
We will discuss.
See you guys later when it's done, I guess. Sup? Sup? One of them done. On to the passenger. This guy is done.
Clay barring. Well, first
Yeah, actually.
clay barring, and then I'm gonna do a full wax.
Right now?
Yeah, for winter, yo.
Did you even wash it yet? No.
Oh, winter. This is washing, yeah.
The wipe down. Oh my gosh! You can see. Oh
See the
wow!
difference. Damn.
Damn.
Clay barring, man.
Okay, okay. This guy's done one side. He's just tucking the excess. You look like you're robbing your car, dude.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh,
Oh, I gotta go on that side. Alright.
Well, from this angle, it's like velvet.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh,
Oh, that's popping, man.
Damn.
Good thing we saw the Chinese one.
Don't worry, in the daylight.
Yeah, we'll wait till the daytime. Satisfied.
Man, very satisfied.
Dude, black and the red actually like go really good together.
Yeah, it does.
And you have the red stitching too, right?
Yeah, exactly. I was planning to get that leather seats now, so everything matches. Oh.
So, okay, this is the story. We went to Fabricland. It was advertised as
Yeah,
$24 a meter. So he got a meter, and then this lady gave him a discount, like
Got
20.
a sweet talker, you know.
Yeah. So she wrote $22 on the receipt, and then we walk up to the cash register.
Whoa.
The total was $6.93. Does that make sense? I don't know.
Does not make any sense, but that's
Yeah, that's a lot of
Gotta
discount.
make them
dude.
wet, you know.
it's that the New Year special, yo.
Yeah, New Year's special.
Getting ready for Chinese New Year over here.
Look at that. Oh,
Ooh. We'll wait till daylight tomorrow.
yeah.
Alright, off to the passenger side. Peace.
Must not set this.
Let's hold on. Let me pause this for so we don't get copyright. So you can hear how crisp. The sandpaper, man. You're just sanding your car.
Nah, bro. Yeah, sanding all the dirt off.
It's that cutting polish or whatever.
Yeah, cut and polish.
Splash. Yo!
What's good?
Man's.
Step of waxing.
Oh, you're on waxing now?
Waxing.
Okay, so you got it all done. It's all done. Nice and white. What have you waxed so far? Just that side?
I waxed the hood and then this broken fender.
Oh shit, extended out.
This guy.
Kind of fucked up a bit.
It's okay, man. It's okay. You have a lot of excess, dude.
Don't worry, that's gonna go in.
You shoved the whole thing in.
Yeah. Of course.
Still has a lot of extra fabric.
Trying to do the roof panel.
Oh yeah, he plans on doing the headliner. Probably turn this off before his car dies. Oh man, it's cold. I'm done mine. We'll show it when there's better light. Daylight. Are you gonna take this off?
Eventually. It's not now.
Oh, you took your thing off and then put it back on? Your emblem?
I'm gonna do a emblem delete.
Nice.
Cause I kind of like it without it saying Acura on there. So
Dude, it's almost a mirror finish. Don't mind that.
fender, going up fender on the broken side. It's like
Your hood is already like. Oh! Putting in work.
2018, guys.
So these winter tires.
My shitty winter tires.
Are you gonna take the.
Plastic zip off? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tinted
It looks a lot
high
better.
beams. Yep. The
What,
new
fixed it?
Panda.
Got it. I fixed it.
Did you?
Yeah.
No more bubble?
Well, this that part. But once it dries out, probably. Hopefully.
Alright. See you guys when there's better lighting.
Peace.
Yo guys, thank you for watching that video. If you liked it, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I know it was long, and if you stayed, well, you guys are an OG. And I'll see you guys next time.